Hey, this is Brooke Drum with Printrbot.com, and I wanted you to hear this thing. There's so many good things to say about this machine, but just listen to this. It's beautiful. If you had another Simple or an older Play or Plus, you're going to hear something that's not as beautiful as this. So I'm just going to shut up and let you hear what this thing is like. It has acceleration, so it's constantly speeding up and slowing down. It's very gentle in the corners. That's due to our new Printrboard G2, powered by the Tiny G firmware, ready for 3D printing. So just listen to this. Just sounds beautiful.